In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply smoke overlay effect to a video in Canva and CapCut. We'll keep this simple and beginner friendly. The smoke overlay effect is a great way to add atmosphere, mood, or drama to any clip, whether it's a video or a single image. If your visuals were designed in Canva, that's perfect. Just export them and we'll bring them into CapCut to apply the effect. Start by opening CapCut. From the home screen, create a new project. If you see the option to start on a blank canvas, go ahead and select that. This simply gives you an empty timeline to work on and keeps things clean. Next, import your video or image. You can use the import button or drag your file directly into the project. Once it's on the timeline, make sure the playhead is positioned where you want to start previewing the effect. Now, look to the left side menu and tap on Effects. This opens CapCut's effects library. You're looking for a smoke style effect, typically found under video effects or overlays depending on your version. When you find a smoke effect that fits your style, soft mist, drifting haze, or heavier smoke, add it to your project. You can either click to add it or drag it directly onto your timeline so it sits on top of your clip. This layering is what creates the overlay look. With the effect selected, move to the top right side panel. Under the basic section, adjust the opacity. Lower opacity will make the smoke more subtle and realistic, blending it into your footage instead of completely covering it. A good starting point is somewhere in the middle, then fine-tune based on the brightness and contrast of your video or image. Keep an eye on your preview as you adjust so you can immediately see how it changes the mood. Next, feel around with the duration. In practical terms, that means adjusting how long the smoke effect stays on screen. You can trim the edges of the effect layer on the timeline to control when it starts and ends, or stretch it to cover the full clip. Consider timing the smoke to key moments like a transition, a beat drop, or an emotional highlight. Small timing tweaks can make a big difference. That's it. You've opened CapCut, created a new project on a blank canvas, imported your media, added a smoke effect, adjusted opacity in the basic settings, and set the duration for the perfect blend. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.